Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, my Taste to Love. How you guys doing? I hope you all are well. I'm back with another perfume review video. I haven't done a perfume video in a long time and I have been missing it. You guys have been missing it and I know you guys love my perfume videos, so I'm back at it. And in today's video, if you've seen the thumbnail, you know that I'm going to review the House of Issey Miyake and all the perfumes that I own from this brand. I own 4 perfumes from this brand and I'm going to review them all, talk about it, talk about the notes and everything. So I thought I'll come up with this series where I take one brand and I talk about them, like Versace, all the perfumes that I own from that brand, or like Jo Malone, or like Dolce & Gabbana, like a Gucci. So take each brand and talk about all the perfumes I own from that brand. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. I will continue to do this series. So the first perfume I have right here is the Issey Miyake Launch Dizzy Pure. Sorry if I pronounce these names wrong because it's a little tricky. I will put all the names right here. So this is the one. First of all, look at the packaging, guys. All the Issey Miyake perfumes come in this really tall, sharp type of pointy packaging. Especially the women's line is like this. I really like the packaging. It's classy, it's sleek, and I just like it. I also like the atomizer on these. It's very easy to like spray and it's good to go. This is the 100 ml bottle. Now this one, guys, it's a very fresh aquatic fragrance. If you're somebody who likes this type of perfumes, which is very water-like, floral, all of their perfumes are mostly floral, so you have to like floral fragrance to like this line. But I think it's a very likable perfume. It's very like, how do I say it? Let me spray some on the piece of paper so that I can explain you better. Okay, right off the back, I can get notes of lily of the valley, and it has very aquatic, fresh, water-like, sea, almost sea-like, little bit of saltiness going on. And definitely I can smell a bit of jasmine and rose as well. And just the first thing that comes in my mind when I wear this perfume is a morning, like early in the morning, dewdrops on top of lily, like lily of the valley flower, or dewdrops on top of a rose flower, like just fresh aquatic mornings. And whenever I wear this perfume, it just wakes me up, and I just love wearing this to the gym as well. And the projection is very good in all Issey Miyake perfumes. That's one of the reasons why I like this brand and why I owned, like, it started with this perfume and I gone on to buy 3 more bottles from this brand, and none of them disappoint me in projection. And whenever I wear this, I get compliments, and I walk into a room and people can smell me from miles away whenever I wear any Issey Miyake perfumes. So that says a lot about their projection and longevity. And if you wear a good designer brand and you pay a lot of money, you want to like get compliments and you want others to smell. But this is, again, in simple terms, it's a very fresh, aquatic, sea breeze type of floral fragrance, and it has a bit of cashmere wood in it, which gives it a bit of cozy and softness and that whitish, musky feeling. But yeah, it's a very wearable, definitely spring, summer, daytime perfume. I absolutely love the packaging on this one. This is the Issey Miyake Premier Fleur. It has a flower petal on the body and it comes with this bronzy metallic lid. And packaging I love of all, as I told you. Now this one is very nice, you guys. This is a latest addition to my collection and this was launched in 2021. Spraying some. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Now this one opens with a fruity note. It has fruits and pear in the opening notes, and you get instantly, when you first spray it, you instantly get hit by that fruity, like a fruit salad, fruit cocktail type of a note. And definitely I can smell the pear in it in the beginning, and after some time the peony and the rose kicks in. So it has got peony and a little bit of rose and jasmine at its heart, and it's mixed, it's like floral fruity fragrance. The first one was aquatic floral, it did not have fruits, and this one has fruits, so it's like floral fruity. It has got some sweetness due to the fruit notes, so it's not all very floral, it has a little bit of fruitiness going on. I really like this because I kind of deviate towards or get attracted towards sweet perfumes, but this is not overtly sweet, like it's not like that sticky sweet fruity, but it has got just the right amount of fruitiness and right amount of sweetness that mixes very well with the peony. Peony I love as a note, and that's why I think I like this one. This is very feminine, delicate. I think a lot of people are going to like this. It's like universal, any age can carry this off. It's very good for like brunch and lunch and breakfast, and like it's a daytime perfume, you guys. You can go for shopping, running errands, and it's also very good office wear perfume. I feel like very good for formal occasion, but definitely not for night. I don't think any of these, except for I think one, none of these are night perfumes. It's like a summer, hot summer, spring. It'll just project well in the hot summers. It anyway projects very well, but I just like this one so much better. So this is the Fleur Premier Fleur from Issey Miyake. Okay, the next one is this one, and let me just tell you, this is my favorite out of this lot, and it's my favorite rose perfume. This is the Issey Miyake Rose and Roses, and the packaging also looks very different. Has got a pinky ombre type of a body, and the lid is a red color with a ball. This is a 50 ml bottle, and it's very easy to carry. It's always in my handbag. I love it, and you can see how much I have used it. I love this, guys. Okay, let me spray some. The sprayer, the atomizer is so good, you guys. Can you just see it? Let me just might as well wear. Yeah, my room is smelling so good right now. Okay, it's, as the name suggests, it's a rose perfume. Okay, in the opening you have raspberry, pear and pink pepper. So you can instantly smell the sweetness from the raspberry and pear. Now this one is very sweet. It's much more sweeter than the other Issey Miyakes, but I love that. And it has a little bit of spiciness from the pink pepper, just a hint, not much. And rest is a mixture of a bunch of rose, like Bulgarian rose, and there are a couple of other roses and osmanthus also. And at the base you have amber, cashmere wood and patchouli. I think those are there just to make it more long lasting, because I cannot really smell the patchouli in it, which is a good thing because I don't like a very strong patchouli note, but I cannot smell it, and it's just very sweet, rosy, fruity. Like this rose and raspberry combination is so good. Like anyone will like this perfume. It's a very Valentine's Day, again, girly, feminine yet mature type of a fragrance, and I love this one for a reason. Like when you smell this, I think this is the one you're going to pick up. Like, it's my own personal opinion, of course, but again, this is something I think men will like on girls, and it's like a very nice fruity floral fragrance, and I absolutely love this one. This is the Rose and Roses from Issey Miyake, the pure nectar one, and I think this also is very famous in the internet. And okay, I can definitely smell a lot of nectar in this one. Atomizer, guys, I like it when the packaging is good and you have good sprayer and it's handy. It's the whole thing that you're paying for, right? So the packaging itself is so good. Again, it has this ombre bronzy type of a thing with that same metallic gold lid, and this is not plastic, it's actual metal, which is nice. I really like the packaging. Okay, what do we have in the nectar one? Okay, nectar one opens definitely with honey note. I can definitely smell honey in it. So it's honey, it's pear, it's nectar, and I can also get little bit of citrus from the bergamot. There is a bergamot note in the opening, but it's very slight. It's mostly the honey and the pear, and the heart of this perfume is again rose, peony, and some water notes. And I think most of these have rose and peony and jasmine in the heart, but they have tweaked it little here and there, and some are more sweet, some are more water-like, but that same DNA runs through the Issey Miyake perfumes, which I don't mind actually. It's a very nice variety of collection that Issey Miyake, the designer, has created. I really like this one, you guys. And at the base you have again cashmere wood, sandalwood, amber, and a lot of things that makes this perfume very long lasting. So if I have to quickly sum up these 4 perfumes, first of all, let me just tell you guys my favorite is this one. Has to be hands down. If I have to choose one from all of this, I will pick the Rose and Roses. It's a beautiful raspberry rose perfume. Very nice, very sweet. Love it. The next pick would definitely be the Nectar one, again because it has honey and it's very nice. It is not overtly, like, I don't like overtly floral perfumes, and I like it to be mixed with some other notes, and the honey just balances it out, and it just smells like nectar. And the pear and the bergamot, everything in this one is beautiful. So this will be my second pick. And these two, I feel like I like them both equally and for different reasons. I wear this at different times for different reasons and different moods. So this one is again very aquatic, fresh, water-like, lily of the valley, wakes me up. I like wearing this early in the morning if I have to hit the gym. This is the one. Like, if I don't want to wake up, this perfume just wakes you up, makes you feel good, and it gives you a good like vibe and everything. Like, my mental health becomes good when I smell this perfume. Perfumes in general I love, but yeah, this is that kind. And this one is something, as I told you, very work appropriate, and it's very work appropriate. I would wear it to work and like for brunches and shopping, and like late afternoons stuck I will wear this. So this is a very early morning fresh perfume, aquatic, little bit toned down version of the floral, and this is your straight up floral fragrance with little bit of fruits and peony mixed in it, but absolutely stunning, all of these perfumes. So that is it, you guys. Those were all my Issey Miyake perfumes lying right there. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, then leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I think I'll be doing the Jo Malone video next, so stay tuned for that. And let me know if you own any of these, or you want to buy some. I hope I have explained each of those perfumes nicely to you guys, and you have understood the notes and everything, and it helps you to make your decision. Alright then, see you guys next time. Till then, take care, smell good, bye bye.